So obviously this has been a very intriguing session, and it's one, in some ways it's gone according to script, because early on, energy, financials, materials, they were up big time. They follow buying yields. On the other hand, however, you can see that money is on the move and looking for opportunities, and all of a sudden it's really fired up and looking at these stocks that have been hammered the most over the last year. So with that in mind, there's also been something of a stealth rally in the Russell 2000. Remember, coming into the week, 82% of those names are down at least 10% from their high this year. 34% down, half, 50% from their 52-week high. The last 5 sessions, though, the Russell up more than 5%. The big winner, in fact, today, DATADOG, up on strong earnings and guidance. Partnership with Amazon doesn't hurt. Here's the thing. If you're a long-term investor, but you want to make 14% a year, you're going to have to be long-term, but you might actually be able to do that in some of these trading ideas. Obviously, there's a lot more risk when that happens. With that in mind, though, remember, these are some great names. They have great potential, and that potential doesn't go away. The value proposition does change when interest rates higher. Those things do matter. But the ultimate reason they went higher in the first place, how they're going to change our lives, that is all going to come to fruition. So I bring that up because some of you probably want to go through these ashes. This is what you need to consider. There is higher risk, obviously. If you're wrong, you can get hit, and you can get hit pretty hard. But I think most of these names are oversold. One, for instance, that I'm in that we're going to hold after the close into the close is Net, Cloudflare. Here's the reason why. Even though the stock went down 3 out of the last 4 times they reported, those 3 times it was trading at an all-time high. Not today. So we'll see what happens with that. In the meantime, here's your magical numbers, folks. S&P 500 put 44.65 down. That's your intraday low. If we stay above that, I think we're okay. In fact, if we stay above 44.83, I think we're going to be pretty good. For the NASDAQ, intraday low is 13,934. The magic number is 14,000 even. Watch that number for the NASDAQ. As long as we hold above there, I think we're okay. And at any time, buyers may materialize. We're trading in a tight range. This is a tough session, but we've shown some spunk and some moxie over the last several sessions. Maybe January 24th was the low. We'll find out. We'll see more on Fed speculation over the next 2 days, next several days, in fact. But hang in there. That's the main message I'm trying to share with you. Hang in there. Don't panic. This is still the greatest money-making machine in history.